Okay guys, now after discussing conic sections, now let's come to our main topic, that is parabola. तो parabola क्या होता है? We have already seen the definition that it is the locus of a point. All right, parabola is locus of a point which moves in such a way. All right, this point moves in such a way whose distance is equal from a fixed point, that is the focus, and a given line. ठीक है, हम क्या बोलेंगे कि इस P पॉइंट का फिक्स्ड पॉइंट फोकस से डिस्टेंस इक्वल होता है to its distance from the fixed line, that is your directrix. Okay, so this is basically guys the definition of your parabola. ठीक है, हम क्या बोलेंगे? It is locus of a point which moves in such a way that its distance from focus is equal to its distance from the directrix, right? इसका मतलब क्या है कि PS upon PM जो रेशो होता है, basically the eccentricity for parabola is 1 ना बेटा, so PS upon PM will say it is equal to 1, or you can say PS will come equal to PM. That means the distance of the point from the vertex is equal to the distance of the point from the your डायरेक्ट्रिक्स. ठीक है, सो P का डिस्टेंस फोकस से और डायरेक्ट्रिक्स से सेम होगा, तो हम क्या बोल देंगे कि P का लोकस इट विल बी अ पैराबोला. ऑलराइट, ओके, so this you can clearly see PS upon PM will be equal to 1, and that's why we are getting PS is equal to PM. Alright, so this is your definition of parabola beta. Alright, अब हम यहां पर देखते हैं एक क्वेश्चन गाइस. क्वेश्चन क्या है? Find the equation of parabola whose focus is given to you and whose directrix is given. Now you must be thinking, sir, we have just did the definition. We have अभी हमने definition पढ़ा, अभी question करना है. हाँ, क्योंकि अभी हमने बस यही तो डिस्कस किया that if it is the directrix बेटा x plus 5 equal to 0 and the focus is minus 3 comma 0. So you need to find equation of parabola, or you can say equation of conic. So what I can say let us assume that the variable point h comma k, all right, this is lying on your parabola. So if it is lying on the parabola, its distance from the vertex should be equal to its distance from the line. Okay, PS equal to PM होना चाहिए. So if I just write down that condition, that is PS equal to PM. Can we find the PS distance? Yes sir, it will be under root h minus minus 3, so that will become h plus 3 square, k minus 0, that will be k only, so k square. Okay, applying distance formula, we have got the distance PS, है ना, distance of the point from the focus, that should be equal to PM, perpendicular distance of the point from the line. So that will be beta, putting h comma k in the equation, that will be h plus 5 divided by under root of x square plus y square. So here you don't have any term of y, तो simply वो 1 ही आएगा, तो उसको h plus 5 लिख दिया. Take square both the sides, so h plus 3 square plus k square is equal to h plus 5 whole square. Okay, so this will become h square plus 9 plus 6h plus k square is equal to h square plus 10h plus 25. H square gone, and 6h if you take it on the right hand side, you will get 4h, and 25 minus 9 will be 16. Okay, so what, if you now just replace k with y and h with x, can you see you are getting the equation, that is y square equal to 4x plus 16, and you will say this is my equation of parabola. ये क्या होगा? हमारा पैराबोला का इक्वेशन होगा. गाइस, पैराबोला कैसे दिखेगा वो अभी हम डिस्कस नहीं करते हैं. ऑलराइट, दैट विल डिस्कस आफ्टर सम टाइम. बट कैन यू सी जस्ट फ्रॉम योर डेफिनेशन, दैट इज PS इक्वल टू PM, वी हैव गॉट द इक्वेशन ऑफ द पैराबोला. ठीक है, तो पैराबोला के लिए क्या होता है? वेरिएबल पॉइंट का डिस्टेंस फोकस से और लाइन से, दैट इज योर डायरेक्ट्रिक्स से इक्वल होता है. ठीक है, नाउ गाइस, यू नो वी कैन हैव इनफाइनाइट टाइप ऑफ पैराबोला, राइट? इनफाइनाइट टाइप की इक्वेशंस हो सकती हैं. आप कहीं पे भी फोकस फिक्स कर दो, लाइन फिक्स कर दो, आपको एक पैराबोला मिल जाएगा. ऑलराइट, बट व्हाट वी हैव, जस्ट लाइक सर्कल, वी हैव सम स्टैंडर्ड इक्वेशंस ऑफ सर्कल, राइट? तो हमने डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स डिस्कस किए थे. जस्ट लाइक दैट इन पैराबोला आल्सो गाइस, वी हैव some standard equations of the parabola. Okay, so let us discuss some standard equation. So what we do in standard equation, we say that okay, if this is my coordinate axis, ठीक है बेटा, ये हमारी क्या हो गई? कोऑर्डिनेट एक्सिस है, दैट इज योर x एक्सिस, दिस इज योर y एक्सिस. ओके, सो दिस इज योर ओरिजिन. ऑलराइट, सो you we know that if we just fix a point focus and a directrix, I'll get a parabola. Okay, so for standard equation of parabola, what we do, we take our focus as a comma 0, any point that is lying on the x-axis, a comma 0, and we take a directrix. Okay, we take our directrix as any line which is, you know, parallel to basically your y-axis, and we take its equation as x plus a equal to 0, और यू कैन से x इज इक्वल टू माइनस ए. ऑलराइट, तो हमने क्या किया यहाँ पे, दो चीजें फिक्स कर दी. वी हैव फिक्स्ड द फोकस दैट इट इज एट a comma 0, एंड वी हैव फिक्स्ड दैट द डायरेक्ट्रिक्स इज एट द पॉइंट is the line x plus a equal to 0, which is, you know, passing through your which is perpendicular to your x-axis, or you can say parallel to our y-axis. So if we fix these two things, guys, over here, that is the focus and the directrix, so then we get a parabola something like this, guys. ठीक है, तो हमें बेटा कुछ इस टाइप का यहाँ पर पैराबोलिक कर्व मिलता है, एंड यू कैन क्लियरली सी लाइक इट विल पास थ्रू ओरिजिन, बिकॉज यू कैन क्लियरली सी द डिस्टेंस ऑफ दिस पॉइंट फ्रॉम line is also a and from this point is also a, so obviously it needs to pass through origin and it will be something like this. Okay, so you can clearly see like all the points will have the same distance, like it is looking like a greater distance, but geometrically you can say when you exactly plot it, you will get this kind of your graph for a parabola. Okay, and guys, and now if we want to find equation for this, okay, how we can find? So if I assume again my variable point as p h comma k, ठीक है, तो आप क्या बोलोगे, ps डिस्टेंस कितना होगा बेटा, विल से ना फॉर पैराबोला ps शुड बी pm, so ps will be h minus a whole square plus k minus 0 whole square, that will be k square, equal to distance of this point from this line, so it will be, you can clearly see h plus a only. Okay, putting it over here, h plus a divided by under root of 1 only, that will be 1. और आप ऐसे भी बोल सकते हो कि ये इसका x coordinate h है, that means this distance from the y axis will be h, and we know if this line is x plus a equal to 0, or you can say x equal to minus a, this distance is a. So perpendicular distance of point from the line will be a plus h or h plus a. Now if you just square it, you will get h minus a whole square plus k square is equal to h plus a whole square. So opening it, you will get h square minus 2ah plus a square plus k square is equal to h square plus a square plus 2ah. h square a square gone, minus 2ah, if we take it over that side, we will get k square equal to 4ah. And if now we replace h with x and k with y, you will get y square equal to 4ax. And this is nothing, guys, but this is called as your standard equation of parabola. इसी को क्या बोलते हैं हम बेटा, standard equation of a parabola. So for standard, you know, if anyone asks you what is standard equation of parabola, आप क्या बोलोगे, y square equal to 4ax, and for this parabola the focus will be a comma 0 and the directrix will be x plus a equal to 0. Okay, so these two things you have to remember. All right, if we fix focus and directrix, तो हमारे पास standard equation क्या जाता है बेटा, y square equal to 4ax. Okay, so you know, you can see that by ps, making ps equal to pm, you will get the standard equation of the parabola as y square equal to 4ax, and this is how the parabola will look like. Okay, this is your directrix, you can clearly see beta, x equal to minus a, so it will pass through minus a comma 0, and this is your focus a comma 0, और ये कोई भी वेरिएबल पॉइंट लेके हमने डिराइव किया, दैट द इक्वेशन विल बी y square equal to 4x. Okay, so this is your parabola. So two things you have to remember, directrix is x equal to minus a and focus is a comma 0. Okay, and all right, so now guys, if this is the standard equation, we have some important terminologies, all right, for our all the conics, all right, which will be same for all the conics. So let's one by one see all the important terminologies. Okay, so the first important terminology is axis of a conic, or you can say as of now we'll discuss axis of the parabola. तो क्या होता है बेटा axis? The straight line passing through focus. Okay, ऐसी straight line जो focus से pass करे and which is perpendicular to the directrix. Okay, जो directrix के क्या हो, perpendicular हो. All right, it is called as the axis of the parabola. okay, the line which passes through the focus, all right, S, and which is perpendicular to your directrix, it is called as the axis of the symmetry, or you can say simply axis of your parabola or axis of the conic. About this axis guys, you can clearly see your conic will be symmetric. आपको दिख रहा है इस लाइन के अबाउट आपका पैराबोला देखो सिमेट्रिक दिख रहा है ना, जैसा अबाउ द एक्स एक्सिस है वैसा ही बिलो द एक्सिस है, ऑलराइट. सो नाउ फॉर आवर स्टैंडर्ड पैराबोला, ओके, जो अभी हमने स्टैंडर्ड पैराबोला देखा y स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 4ax, इस केस के लिए यू विल से दैट एक्सिस ऑफ सिमेट्री, और यू कैन से एक्सिस ऑफ द पैराबोला इज y इक्वल टू 0, एंड y इक्वल टू 0 इज नथिंग बट इट इज योर x एक्सिस. ठीक है, क्योंकि डायरेक्ट्रिक्स के परपेंडिकुलर करना था. डायरेक्ट्रिक्स क्या था, x प्लस a इक्वल टू 0, ऑलराइट. सो इट विल बी basically parallel to your x axis and it is passing through the focus as well. तो obviously ये लाइन क्या हो जाएगा बेटा, आपका x axis हो जाएगा, या फिर जिसको हम बोल देंगे y equal to 0. So for our standard parabola y square equal to 4ax, axis of the parabola is x axis. But as your parabola changes axis of symmetry, या फिर simply axis will also change. Okay, so this definition you have to keep in your mind. Line passing through focus and perpendicular to the directrix is called as the axis of the parabola. Then the next second important terminology is something called as vertex. So what is vertex? Point of intersection of the conic itself, that is your parabola in this case, and the axis. All right, point of intersection of conic and the axis is called as vertex of the your conic section, or you can simply say in this case vertex of the parabola. तो देखो हमारा एक्सिस क्या था बेटा, x एक्सिस, तो ये हो गया x एक्सिस, and this is your conic, that is parabola. So both of them are intersecting at the point origin only. So for this is for the case again your standard parabola. Okay, so we'll say for y square equal to 4ax, the vertex is at 0, 0. दूसरे पैराबोला के लिए दूसरा होगा ना, यहां पर y स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 4ax के लिए 0, 0 है, बिकॉज द एक्सिस इज x एक्सिस एंड दिस इज योर पैराबोला. सो विल से वर्टेक्स फॉर y स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 4ax इज 0, 0. तो चार टर्मिनोलॉजी अभी तक हम पढ़ चुके हैं. फोकस ऑफ द पैराबोला, that will be a, 0. For standard parabola, vertex is 0, 0. Axis is x axis and the directrix is x equal to minus a, or you can say x plus a equal to 0. Got it? Okay. Focus, what is focus? A, 0, right? The fixed point is a, 0, and directrix, the fixed straight line, that is x equal to minus a. All right. Now guys, some important notes which you can remember is that vertex is the midpoint of focus and directrix. So basically, see, directrix is a line, so you can write it as foot of directrix to be grammatically correct. Like if this is your parabola, if this is my parabola, this is your focus a, 0, and this is my directrix, that is x equal to minus a. Okay, so this point, right, that is the point where your directrix and the axis is intersecting, it is minus a, 0. So if you take midpoint of these two, can you see clearly it will be called as the vertex. Okay, you must be thinking, sir, why you are telling us this? This is quite obvious. हाँ, ये तो क्वाइट ऑब्वियस है, क्लियरली दिख रहा है कि हाँ सेंटर ओरिजिन होगा. बट प्रॉपर्टी जो आपको याद रखनी है वो ये है कि अगर फोकस कुछ और भी हुआ, एनीथिंग, और डायरेक्ट्रिक्स का बेसिकली इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट, फुट आप बोल सकते हो, वो कुछ भी हुआ, उन दोनों का मिड पॉइंट हमेशा वर्टेक्स होगा. अगर मैं पैराबोला को कहीं शिफ्ट कर देता हूं, ये दिस इज नॉट फॉर स्टैंडर्ड पैराबोला ओनली, दिस इज ट्रू फॉर एनी पैराबोला. ओके, एंड द सेकंड वन इज एक्सिस एंड डायरेक्ट्रिक्स आर परपेंडिकुलर. तो वो तो हमने डेफिनेशन में ही देखा है, दैट एक्सिस इज अ लाइन व्हिच इज परपेंडिकुलर टू डायरेक्ट्रिक्स एंड व्हिच पासेस थ्रू द फोकस. ऑलराइट गाइस, ओके, let's see a question. Find the equation of directrix of a parabola whose focus is this and vertex is this. अच्छा, तो हमने क्या बोला है, आपको पैराबोला के डायरेक्ट्रिक्स की इक्वेशन फाइंड करनी है और बेटा फोकस और वर्टेक्स दे दिए. अब देखो यहां पर स्टैंडर्ड पैराबोला के लिए नहीं पूछा गया है ये आपसे, राइट? दिस इज नॉट फॉर स्टैंडर्ड पैराबोला बिकॉज फोकस इज एट 2, -3, so somewhere over here, and vertex is at 0, 5, so somewhere over here. So this is your vertex, this is my focus. Okay, So that means parabola can be something like this, all right? It will be something kind of like this. Okay, so obviously directrix will be a line somewhere over here. So we need to find equation of the directrix, guys. Okay, so first of all, what we can say that this point, if we assume it as, let's suppose alpha comma beta, okay, then the sum of midpoint of these two, alpha beta and 2 minus 3, will be 0 comma 5. So if you apply midpoint formula, alpha plus 2 by 2 equal to 0, so alpha will come equal to minus 2, and similarly beta minus 3 by 2, that will be 5, so 10 and plus 3, so beta is coming equal to 13. So this point, okay, through which your directrix is passing is minus 2 comma 13. Now we also know that vertex and focus both lie on the axis and directrix is perpendicular to the axis. So can we find slope of this line? Yes, it will be 5 minus minus 3, that will be 8, upon 0 minus 2, that will be minus 2, so it is coming minus of 4. Slope, okay beta, slope of this line is minus 4, so can we say slope of this line will be 1 upon 4 because it is perpendicular? So negative times the reciprocal. Slope of this line is 1 by 4, it is passing through minus 2 comma 13. So equation of straight line, guys, can we write? Yes, very easily. That will be y minus y1 equal to m, which is 1 by 4, into x minus x1. So minus minus 2 will become plus 2, so it will become 4y minus 13 for the kitna hoga beta 52, that is equal to x plus 2. So 4y equal to x plus 54. This is my equation of the directrix. Okay, so midpoint of your intersection of directrix and axis and the focus will be vertex, and directrix is always perpendicular to the axis of your parabola. So using these two important points, we are able to find out the equation of directrix in this question. Okay, chaliye. Solution we have seen. Let's see the next question. Find the equation of the parabola whose vertex is 2 comma 1 and the directrix is this. So till now we were able to find the equation of the parabola if we have focus and directrix. अब यहाँ पर बेटा डायरेक्ट्रिक्स तो है आपके पास, x इक्वल टू y माइनस 1, और यू कैन से y माइनस x माइनस 1 इक्वल टू 0 एंड द वर्टेक्स इज एट 2,1. तो अभी देखो आपको वर्टेक्स गिवन है, यू डोंट हैव द फोकस, तो अभी फोकस यू कैन कॉल इट एज s. या सो हाउ टू फाइंड कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ फोकस, क्योंकि अगर फोकस नहीं आया तो फिर मैं यहां पर प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व ही नहीं कर पाऊंगा, है ना. तो कैसे अब इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करें? सो वी नो दैट माय एक्सिस विल बी पासिंग थ्रू वर्टेक्स एंड द फोकस ऑब्वियसली. ओके, so you can, and it will be always perpendicular to directrix. So you can clearly see slope of your directrix is 1. So can we say slope of our axis will be minus 1 beta, minus 1 and passing through 2,1. So its equation, guys, its equation we can write it as y minus 1 equal to m into x minus x1. That is coming y minus 1 is equal to minus x plus 2, or you can say x plus y equal to 3. So this is your axis of the parabola. ये क्या आ गया हमारा? एक्सिस की इक्वेशन. अच्छा, डायरेक्ट्रिक्स की इक्वेशन बेटा पता ही है, तो दोनों का इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट अगर मैं फाइंड कर लूं, so I'll get this point and I know that vertex is the midpoint of these two. So this point and this point are known, so I can find my vertex. Vertex आ गया, then you can solve very easily. So axis and this is your line, so you can say basically y equal to x plus 1, put it over here. So x plus 1 equal to 3, 2x equal to 2, so x is coming beta 1, and putting x equal to 1, 1 plus 1, that is 2. So this point is coming 1 comma 2, this is 2 comma 1. All right, so what should be this point? Alpha plus 1 by 2 equal to 2. So guys, little bit calculation, it will be 3. 3 plus 1 by 2 is 4, and beta plus 2 by 2 is 1. So this should be what? This should be 0. So point is coming 3 comma 0, and the directrix is coming y equal to x plus 1. Now guys, again the same thing you have to do. Assume a point h comma k its distance from the vertex, its distance from the focus and distance from the line, you should make equal and you will get your answer. Okay, so I'm not solving it full. The main concept behind is this terminologies you have to understand in a good manner. Okay, कि axis क्या होता है, vertex क्या होता है, parabola के focus, vertex और इस point के बीच में the directrix, what is the relation, all right. So all these things you have to keep in your mind. Okay, all right. So this 4 terminologies, guys, important terminologies we have covered. Let's see the next few terminologies. All right. So the next terminology is eccentricity of a parabola. So we already know the constant ratio, that is PS upon PM, is the eccentricity. All right, it is denoted by E, and for your parabola eccentricity is equal to 1. ठीक है, eccentricity किसके equal होता है? In the case of parabola it is equal to 1 beta. Now guys, the next point is focal distance. Okay, this is very important. All right, and it will be same for all our coming conics. What is focal distance? So in the name itself, focal distance, that means it is related to focus sometime. Okay, कुछ तो focus से related है, बिल्कुल है. क्या है? The distance of a point on the conic. ठीक है, तो कोनिक पे बेटा अगर आप कोई भी पॉइंट लेते हैं P, let's suppose x, y, so its distance from the focus, guys, is nothing but it is called as the focal distance. ठीक है, so किसी भी पॉइंट का which is lying on the curve on the conic, its distance from the focus PS, that will be simply called as the focal distance. अच्छा, हमें एक चीज पता है पैराबोला के बारे में, क्या? That distance of the point from the focus, any point lying on the parabola, its distance from the focus is same as its distance from the डायरेक्ट्रिक्स. इसका मतलब अगर मुझे किसी भी P पॉइंट के लिए फोकल डिस्टेंस कैलकुलेट करना है, so I can actually find out PS, all right, like applying the distance formula, or I can say it will be equal to what? It will be equal to the distance of the point from the line. अब यहां पर देखो एक इंपॉर्टेंट चीज, क्या आपको पता है this distance will be equal to A, guys? Why? Because if the vertex is if the focus is a, 0, we can say that the directrix will be x equal to minus a. That means this line is x equal to minus a. And if this line is x equal to minus a, its distance from the y-axis will be a. And if this point is x, y, can we say its distance from the y-axis again, that will be equal to x. All right. And this total distance, perpendicular distance hai, so this total distance will be what? X plus a. That means I can say very easily, if I need to find focal distance of a point x, y, it will be simply x plus a. मुझे फॉर्मूला लगाने की जरूरत ही नहीं है यार, क्योंकि PS तो PM के इक्वल होगा और PM किसके इक्वल होगा? हमेशा A plus the x coordinate of that point. So very simply I can find out the focal distance of any point because we know PS is equal to PM for our parabola. ठीक है, तो यहां पर focal distance PS, guys, it is always equal to x coordinate of that point plus the A. All right, that is your constant. Obviously we are talking about beta standard parabola, है ना? y square equal to 4ax standard parabola के लिए हम लोग discussion कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. Okay, so PS is a focal chord, but in case of parabola, PM is also focal distance, right? So PS is equal to PM और यहाँ पर देख लो x plus a या फिर इसको आप a plus x आ जाएगा आपका focal distance. Then guys, the next thing is focal chord. So again, it is related to focus. A chord which passes through the focus simply, it is called as the focal chord. So you can see for your standard parabola, all these chords. Okay, what is a chord? Chord is nothing but joining 2 points on the curve. All right, if any line segment join 2 points on the curve, it is called as your focal chord. तो यहाँ पे clearly बेटा आपको देख रहा है कि ये सारी chords focus से पास हो रही हैं, इसीलिए इन्हें हम लोग simply क्या बोल देंगे? Focal chord बोल देंगे. Guys, double ordinate. Okay, so what is a double ordinate? So the double ordinate of a conic is the chord which is perpendicular to the axis. ठीक है, तो क्या बोला गया है? chord क्या होती है? कोई भी 2 पॉइंट को ज्वाइन कर दें तो हमें chord मिलेगा. But the chords which are perpendicular to the axis of the parabola. So like if I take my standard parabola, वाई स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 4ax, इसके लिए तो बेटा एक्सिस क्या होगा, एक्स एक्सिस। अच्छा, तो इसका मतलब एक्स एक्सिस के परपेंडिकुलर जितनी भी कॉर्ड्स होंगी उन सबको मैं क्या बोलता हूं, आई कॉल देम डबल ऑर्डिनेट। ओके, ऑलराइट, एक्सिस के परपेंडिकुलर जितनी भी कॉर्ड्स हैं all of them will be called as double ordinate. And okay guys, so now let's talk about the next terminology, that is latus rectum. Okay guys, this is a very important analogy. ठीक है, latus rectum जो है ये बहुत ही important analogy है यहां पर आपका, ठीक है। So let's see, so what is latus rectum? The latus rectum of a conic is the chord passing through the focus एंड परपेंडिकुलर टू द एक्सिस। तो किसी भी कोनिक के लिए बेटा अगर आपको लेटस रेक्टम डिफाइन करनी है, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट्स अ कॉर्ड पासिंग थ्रू फोकस एंड परपेंडिकुलर टू द एक्सिस। तो देखो यहां पर अगर हम पैराबोला की बात करें, दिस इज फॉर अ कोनिक, दैट मींस हम अगर पैराबोला के लिए देख रहे हैं तो सेम चीज एलिप्स और हाइपरबोला में भी वैलिड है। लेकिन अगर मैं हमारा स्टैंडर्ड पैराबोला लेता हूं, वाई स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 4ax, so for this parabola the focus is a comma 0, that means my latus rectum will pass through focus and it will be perpendicular to the axis, which is x-axis now, right? So this particular chord which you can see is your latus rectum. Okay, now the important thing over here is, guys, what will be the length of latus rectum? Okay, what will be the length of this latus rectum? This is an important point. So can we find the length of this chord? Yes, we can find. How? Guys, this is passing through the point a comma 0 and it is perpendicular to x-axis. That means this is parallel to y-axis, right? This chord is parallel to y-axis. Now, if x coordinate of this point is a और हम बेटा अगर parallel move कर रहे हैं y-axis के, that means x coordinate will not change. Anywhere on this chord x coordinate will be a only. तो हम ये दो पॉइंट्स लेते हैं p और q, इसका x coordinate बेटा मैंने a मान लिया। देखो अब अगर x coordinate a है, both the points are lying on the parabola, putting it over here 4a into a, right? So y square is coming 4a square, and if you take square roots, can you see y will come equal to plus minus 2a. That means the y coordinate of these points will be, for p point it will be a comma 2a and q point will be a comma minus 2a. तो अब बेटा अगर लेंथ फाइंड करनी है इस कॉर्ड की, आप डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला लगा सकते हो, बट यहां पे क्लियरली दिख रहा है x कोऑर्डिनेट इज नॉट चेंजिंग बिकॉज इट इज पैरेलल टू y एक्सिस। तो आप डिफरेंस बिटवीन y कोऑर्डिनेट से क्या होगा, लेंथ। तो ये लेंथ कितना है बेटा, देखो आप 2a बोल सकते हैं हम, और ये लेंथ भी 2 है। Basically, you can subtract the coordinates. So 2a minus of minus 2a. So guys, the length of latus rectum will come equals to 4a. Okay, so this is a very important point. इसका मतलब कि हमारे पैराबोला, स्टैंडर्ड पैराबोला का जो इक्वेशन है उसमें कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x जो है, it is nothing but it is your length of the latus rectum. All right, this terminology is very important. All right, so latus rectum is a chord passing through focus and perpendicular to the axis. Its length is 4a. All right, 2a part is upward and 2a part is below the axis. 2a is above the axis. And guys, one more information is extremities, or you can say endpoints of latus rectum. Okay, endpoints of LR क्या होते हैं बेटा? So one of the endpoint is a comma 2a and other one is a comma minus 2a. So both these points are very important. You have to remember कि length क्या होता है सर, 4a होता है, और endpoint of latus rectum क्या होते हैं, a comma 2a और a comma minus 2a. और latus rectum है क्या? It's a chord passing through focus and perpendicular to the axis. तो देखो हम ये बोल सकते हैं लेटस रेक्टम इज अ स्पेशल डबल ऑर्डिनेट। अभी हमने लास्ट में देखा डबल ऑर्डिनेट क्या होता है, डबल ऑर्डिनेट इज अ कॉर्ड व्हिच इज परपेंडिकुलर टू द एक्सिस। नाउ लेटस रेक्टम इज अ स्पेशल डबल ऑर्डिनेट व्हिच इज पासिंग थ्रू फोकस एज वेल। ठीक है, तो ये दो इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स हैं। लेंथ ऑफ लेटस रेक्टम होता है 4a एंड सो यू कैन बेसिकली राइट द लेंथ ऑफ लेटस रेक्टम एज 2 times, okay, 2 times distance between the focus and directrix. So guys, if you draw a standard parabola, sorry, यहां पर standard parabola अगर हम लेते हैं, yes, so what will be its focus, like y square equal to 4ax, it will be a comma 0 and the directrix is x equal to minus a, so this point will be minus a comma 0. So the distance between focus and directrix, can you see, it is 2a. So length of latus rectum can be also written as 2 into 2a, right? Distance between focus and directrix. And end points of latus rectum, all right? End points of latus rectum are a comma 2a and a comma minus 2a, right? So all these informations which are written, you have to remember, guys. Okay, this is a very important terminology. Okay, let's see a question. Okay, very simple question. Find focus, directrix and length of latus rectum for the parabola y square equal to 16x. बहुत सिंपल सा प्लेन क्वेश्चन है. आपको एक स्टैंडर्ड पैराबोला की इक्वेशन गिवन है बेटा, और आपको फोकस, डायरेक्ट्रिक्स और लेंथ ऑफ लेटस रेक्टम फाइंड करना है. ठीक है. So generally see what all things we can find. Let's see in this question. So first of all, if it's a standard parabola, see guys, in coordinate geometry I'll tell you one thing. Here you don't need to actually draw the parabola. कोई importance नहीं है उसका, लेकिन ना इससे हमें क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने में थोड़ी हेल्प मिलती है. यू नो, व्हेन यू सॉल्व सम गुड क्वेश्चंस विजुअली, you can make it as a habit. Just we will always in coordinate geometry I'll draw a rough sketch. ठीक है. आप सोचोगे सर जरूरत तो नहीं है, हमारा टाइम वेस्ट होगा. बेटा अच्छे क्वेश्चंस में ना हमारा टाइम सेव होता है. कई चीजें फिगर बनाने के बाद हमें डायरेक्टली दिख जाती हैं, which you cannot see if you have written only the equation. Okay, so it is very easy if you visually understand all these parameters. Yeah, so if it's a standard parabola, it will pass through origin and that is my vertex only, right? And if it's a standard parabola, the axis will be x-axis, okay, and this parabola will be opening rightwards and this kind. Alright, अब यहाँ पर अगर हम इसे स्टैंडर्ड इक्वेशन से बेटा कंपेयर करें, y स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 4ax से, तो बेटा कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x 4a है, so 4a should be equal to 16. That means a should be equal to 4. And if a is 4, guys, we know for a standard parabola what is the focus? It is a comma 0 and the value of a is coming 4. That means focus for this particular parabola will be 4 comma 0. Similarly, what will be the directrix beta? The directrix will be simply x equal to minus a. So that will come x equal to minus of 4. ठीक है. और what is latus rectum? Latus rectum is a chord which passes through focus and perpendicular to the axis. ठीक है. तो यहां पर ये हमारा latus rectum होगा. These will be the end points of your latus rectum बेटा. Okay, so what will be the length of latus rectum PQ? That we can directly say, sir, length of LR. Okay, length of LR will be 4a and that is coming equal to simply 16. Okay, so length of latus rectum is, sir, 60. Okay, so this is how you can simply solve the question. What other things we can find for a parabola? So here in the question they could have asked you what are the end points of योर लेटस रेक्टम. तो हमें पता है P के एंड पॉइंट क्या होते हैं बेटा, a, 2a. a is 4, तो ये आ जाएगा 4, 8 और यहां पर क्या आ जाएगा बेटा 4, -8, राइट. a, 2a एंड a, -2a. सो दीज आर दी एंड पॉइंट्स. एक्सिस x-एक्सिस है, वर्टेक्स 0, 0 है, फोकस हमने निकाल लिया, लेंथ ऑफ लेटस रेक्टम हमने निकाल लिया. ओके, सो फॉर अ स्टैंडर्ड पैराबोला ऑल दीज थिंग्स, ऑल दीज टर्मिनोलॉजीज यू कैन कैलकुलेट. क्लियर? Okay.